Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Math Tutorials. In this video, we shall see how to perform decimal to binary conversion. The decimal number system is the base 10 number system which consists of digits from 0 to 9, whereas the binary number system is the base 2 number system which consists of digits 0 and 1. So in this video, we shall see an example in which a decimal number is converted to a binary number. So here we have the problem, convert the decimal number 39 to its binary equivalent. Write the question 39 and draw 3 columns. The first column is for the divisor 2. The second column is for the quotient and the third column is for the remainder. Now let's start dividing. 39 divided by 2 gives quotient 19 and remainder 1. 19 divided by 2 gives quotient 9 and remainder 1. 9 divided by 2 gives quotient 4 and remainder 1. 4 divided by 2 gives quotient 2 and remainder 0. 2 divided by 2 gives the quotient as 1 and remainder 0. 1 divided by 2 gives the quotient 0 and remainder 1. So this process of repeated division is to be performed until the quotient becomes 0. Now we have the remainders in the last column. In order to convert a decimal number to a binary number, we need the remainders. The remainders are to be written in reverse order. Hence, write down the remainders in reverse order. First comes 1, then 0, 0, 1, 1 and 1. Hence, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 is the binary representation of the decimal number 39. The divisor is 2 because we have to obtain the binary equivalent, and for a binary equivalent the base is 2. We can see that there are only ones and zeros in the binary representation. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon.